easy. You're ordering meals. So here at the Ventures, we have different posts where we have different branches rather. So this will be made known to you, then that's when you can now impute your distance, as I initially did, kilometers and the rest. So because of limited time, all these were not fully functional. This is the about supposed to be more, but let's just see back from home. So, yeah, that is just the small site, or I say plain site I did on that booking. So you want to log out, log out, it takes you back to the login. Thank you.
Okay, over to the viewers. Do you have a comment? The judges, do you have a comment? Please.
I have a question. What are the technology or programming language used for the project?
Okay, I made use of just JavaScript and HTML. So with the styling, I made use of CSS for the stylings, colors, and the rest. For the functioning, I made use of JavaScript.
Okay, is there another question? Okay.
So like this now, so when we book a meal, right? So I ain't gonna show us the notification that the chef saw before the book.
Okay.
Like, let me say, I ain't supposed to show us like when the chef, like the notification when the chef gets that.
Well, the notification is not going to the chef, but it's going to you because it's a functional site. We have people receiving your orders. So, okay, let me just take you back to that initial alert. Let's just log in here. So, for instance, you book here. Then you have imputed your name, email, and the distance. That's the alert there. It says thank you, Goshigo, for booking for chef. Tega has been confirmed. Estimated time of delivery is 30 minutes. So this alert is going to you. We as the Ventures, we already know that you have booked that. You are not booking it to the chef. You have your taste, you have your choice. You have selected that this is the particular chef's food you want to eat. So yeah, when you book that, you are giving you that meal. It doesn't have to be notified to the chef that you have been booked. Thank you.
Okay, he asked the question, that is, the system, the user does not interact with the chef. It is the system that sends notification to the chef, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so is there another question? Any other comments? Okay, he did a booking site for meals, and we look forward to seeing the improved version of this site. And you should customize it in a way that it can be actually possible for usage in Abraka data state and beyond. Because this will be a very good site, even now that we are having free problem in the nation. One can just, at the comfort of his or her home, make a booking of whatever thing he or her chooses to take as meal. In the absence of other questions, please, the next presenter get set. Thank you very much. Let's celebrate him again as he takes his seat. The next presenter Okay, after Mr. Sampson, we have Mr. Blessing that will be presenting. So Mr. Sampson is a student. Please, Mr. Blessing, you can leave the stage for Mr. Sampson. Mr. Sampson is a student of Delta State University from the Department of Computer Science, and he also gave or they have developed a prototype of a web application. Please, you have the stage. Thank you.
Good day, everyone. I'm here to show you my...
Please, the mic should be closer to you.
I'm here to show you the prototype of a website I designed for a ride. Let's say you are stranded in the middle of nowhere and you have no one to call. But you have your smartphone and you place a ride. Let me sign up so it works. So when you sign up, it goes to the login page. So you can log in. It says, welcome to Drive Me.
So you can see there's a collaboration between him and Vera of Fine and Applied Arts. Vera did the branding and he did the development of the web application.
Okay, so this is the interface of the website, and you just jump into it. You book a ride here, it takes you here, and you set the location. You set a pickup location. Let's say we are in Japa Road. I know not everyone here is from Wari. Japa Road, and you want to go to Ekpa. The dates, you can select it either the next week. It's just booking. Let's say tomorrow. The time, choose the time. Let's say 12:10 p.m. and you submit. Chicken out. That's just it. So like that, you booked a ride for wherever you want to go to within your surrounding. Here is the contact us. If you want to reach us by email, by WhatsApp, by phone, it's all there. Thank you.
Please, let's clap for him. I know my developers here have a lot of things to say, so I'll give the floor to the developers. Please, you must not be a developer before you have something to say. You have interacted, all of us have interacted with various web applications, and we know how they work. So you are very free to make your comment. This one is different from the one I've been using before. Thank you.
First off, when a user comes to your website, what's the first page they see? All of you have been showing a sign-up page. Is there no home page?
This is the page you see.
After you log in,
Yeah, after you log in.
when I come to your website, driveme.com, what will I see?
This is what you will see when you come to the website.
This is after I'm logged in, right? So if I'm not logged in, I cannot access this page.
If you are not logged in, you have to sign in.
So the sign-in is the default page, the home page. Right, so is your website mobile responsive? Because most of your users will not be using a laptop, they will be on their device, on the phone or a tablet. So reduce the screen size, let's say. Reduce the screen size. Reduce the screen size.
I should reduce the... Okay. I will work on that to make it, but right now it's strictly on your laptop.
Okay, so this is not really nice because 95% of your users will not be on a laptop. So you should model it to what your users will be using. And it is not mobile responsive, you know. So can you show us how it would look like on the mobile device?
Not right
Right.
now.
Right, so something else, your sign up form, there was no validation, so any user can just simply go there and sign up without all the forms being complete.
No, you can't sign up without forms
All
being
right, so
complete.
log out and show us the process.
It's not asking for the code.
Click on sign up. It's going to tell you, please fill out this field.
So
And
that is an HTML required attribute. It is not ideal to use that for validation because it is not even among validation. It's just for visual stuff to let the user know that they have not filled that place. But anybody can easily overpower this. All right, so go on, fill something, fill something, fill the form, sign up. Um, wait a minute. So what happens if in the email field I put just a random text that is not an email? So remove the at gmail.com and sign up.
you should know this is not the finished product of the website.
Yeah, this is not the finished product. This is not the finished product of the website, or it is a prototype. All right, so you should work on it very well. And after the sign up, there should be a notification because a user would like, I will not know if my sign up was successful. I may go back and sign up again.
There is a notification. Sign up successful.
Okay, all right. This is nice. Why? Okay, let's go to the next page. Okay. All right, so everything is all right now. Since it is a prototype, or you should fix it, and you should have a logout button instead of it to go to your code. All right, so let me see your code, the functionality, the JavaScript behind the functions. Let me see. For the sign up. All right. So this is nice. All right, let me see the login page. Okay, this is also nice too. So you should also know that JavaScript is a client-side language, a front-end language. So whatever validation that you are doing with it can be easily overpowered by anybody that knows how to use a laptop. So you should use a real database like a MySQL and a server, a backend server language like PHP, just as it's being taught here in Hamplus. PHP and MySQL, like.
Thank you. That's a very nice observation. Let's clap for him again. Is there any other comments from our fellow developers, from the invitees? Any other comments? Okay, please stay on the stage.
Good day, everybody. My name is Gloria. I will introduce everybody. Yeah, I'm not a web developer, but I've been a user of something like this. So when I submit my bookings, even if I can do it, I love the fact that I can do it for a longer time. Probably I have somewhere I'm going to in a month's time and I can book a ride for it. But the issue that I have is after submitting, there is no notification, it takes me nowhere, you're just still on that page. So that's why I have my issue.
So can you respond to that?
Yeah, if you look at the JavaScript,
Please connect the screen. You disconnected before time.
if you take a look at the JavaScript, it says here your ride has been booked, but I have not been able to debug it to show that alert when you book the ride. So, like I said, it's still getting debugged and still under work. So that one isn't the major issue right now, but it's still going to work.
Okay. So please, this should not end here. You and Vera can still collaborate and make this as a brand. Find out what is lacking in other booking systems, then you incorporate it into yours, and it will be very excellent. I tell you, there are some persons that will be interested just in this. Thank you. Please let's celebrate him as we make welcome Mr. Blessing for his presentation. Please, Mr. Sampson, you have done well. You can take your seats. Thank you.
Mr. Dibashi.
Please get set. It's the HDMI have issues. Please, Mr. Dibashi, take the stage. Mr. Emmanuel Dibashi is a fine and applied arts student from Delta State University. He has spent some time here with Hamplus in doing his training. And during the course of his training, he was trained on animation, watch him with keen attention as he presents for us. Okay.
Good day, guys. Okay. Good morning, everyone. I'm Emmanuel Dibashi Chukwudi maybe. I'm in fine and applied art. So here is a design, a UI UX design. First of all, I want to actually explain to you guys what UI UX actually means. UI UX is like a front end for any app, any website, and the rest. So this is how the user actually interacts with the website or the app. So this is actually my first page. This is the pizza menu. This is actually all about a pizza delivery app. So literally, I didn't want to just waste too much time in many details. So I just went straight to the point. So this pizza, this pizza. So this is the home screen. Let me just try and do this. Okay, it's coming up. Yes. Don't shake. Oh. Okay, so this is pizza. So what happens when you enter pizza? You must be hungry, right? So we say order now. Yes. So I'll click on order now. Yeah, these are the menu we have. So choose your pizza. Super supreme, peri peri, veggie, hot chili, chicken. So I'm saying, okay, I like the way super supreme is. Let's click on get now. So this how super supreme is very delicious. Yeah. So now I want to actually pick a size. So this is the small, the medium, the large. Okay, let's just say I'm taking the small. Yeah. So I'm going to take one, actually. So I just want to say, and I have to take two of this. So I'm going to take two of this. Let me take one of this other one. Yeah. So let me just say pay now. So this is like an interface of how the pay now will look like. So this is like a delivery man, whatever. Then this is medium, then one, this is the price, then the small one for this. I'm going to take two of this. So I'm going to take one of the other one. Oh shit. This is actually a computer error, actually, I swear. This is not how it's supposed to be like. Actually. Oh, I'm sorry guys, just give me 1 sec. I can fix it.
Actually, Mr. Emmanuel is a very funny guy. And the time he spent here, he gets everyone happy. You can even see it in his presentation. I'm also using this medium to let you know he's an upcoming actor who have featured in so many movies and comedy skits.
I'm really sorry guys, actually. I'll make sure this, because I'm not with my mouse, so it's actually difficult to do with the computer mouse. So I'm really, really sorry. So let's just go straight to the point. Still doing this thing. So the total was $71. So I was like, okay, let's just create a platform where you can pay via card or via transfer. So literally, this is just like what you are supposed to see in Pizza. This is what you're supposed to see in Pizza app. So you can be wondering, I want to go back, I want to take something else. Then I have the navigation button over here to take you back. So this is actually what Pizza is, and this is how the interface of Pizza will look like. Thank you very much.
He did a nice presentation on UI UX. UI is user interface. UX is user experience. That talks about the functionality of the interface, not just the design of the interface. So he has shown us using the interface on the app, on the mobile app. His colleague who he collaborated with. After his presentation, we also show us the interface on the web app.
Okay, this is Debashi again. So this is a chatbot revolution, unlocking the power of Ask AI. If you ask me, what is Chat AI? Chat AI is a chatbot, which me and my colleague actually had to do this. The logo was my idea and the branding, and he did the rest of everything. So this is Ask AI. So we're going to revolutionize the use of chatbot. So welcome to the chatbot revolution. Chatbots are transforming how we interact with technology, how we interact with people, how we interact with how we interact with our computers and the rest. So with Chat Ask AI, we tend to revolutionize the technology under chatting bots to make sure it's easy for you to communicate well with a chatbot. So this was more of like the color of the branding. This is yellow, whatever the stuff. So this is black. Actually, all these things actually suits the logo. That is why we actually put them up here. So this is the other color. So yellow is more of a traditional symbol of optimism, happiness, and everything. You're going to be excited that you're going to use Ask AI. You're going to be very, very excited. So black is also power. You understand? So you're going to feel the power of the excitement. You understand? So then white is for honesty and beginning and cleanliness. So this is more like a branding of the how it's going to be like in the market. So this is visit axai.io. This is Ask AI. This is like a cap that we did a free mock-up for this. Then understanding chatbot, we need to understand what chatbot actually means. So chatbot is our AI systems designed to stimulate human conversations. They can handle inquiries, provide information, and even execute tasks. By leveraging natural languages processing, chatbots can understand context and improve your user engagement, makes them valuable assets of business. That's what Ask AI is going to do. That's what Ask AI is going to do. So the benefits of Ask AI, the integration of Ask AI brings numerous advantages, such as the 24/7 availability. So there's no time to say that we're sleeping or anything. Ask AI is always active. Instant response and cost efficiency. They can handle any tasks, allow human agents to focus on more complex issues and the rest. So the future of chatbots is Ask AI. That is the future of chatbot. And I want to say a very, very big thank you to you guys for listening to what I have to say about Chat and Ask AI.
Please, let's celebrate him. Let's celebrate him. Please, you just stand beside your colleague as he comes to take over from where you stop. Thank you. Mr. Confidence Izu is a computer science student from Delta State University, and he has collaborated with Mr. Dibashi Emmanuel on this Ask AI. Mr. Dibashi did the branding, while Mr. Confidence did the web interface.
Good morning, guys. Good morning, guys. My name is Confidence. can also come in cases craft. So my colleague here has basically explained what our chatbot does, from being the era we are now for AIs and the rest, from using ChatGPT to Gamma AI to any possible AI you are using. There's always a backend and there's an interface to that backend. This is just a simple Ask AI that I want to present to you guys, please. So for this, the landing page. For every website you go, you have a landing page where you go to register, to see what the AI does and the rest. So now, this is welcome to Ask AI, your smart assistant for every need. Chat, ask questions, and get instant answers. If you click on, as you can see, the website is responsive. If you click on the carousel effect, 24/7 support, easy to use. Well, we made our chat AI very easy so that any person, even to an illiterate, can easily go around using the chat AI. If you click on, I want to go through all the buttons here first before we see more of the functionalities. We come up to pricing. We take you straight to our pricing page where you can get your subscriptions for any of our package you want. Then if you click on the home icon, it take you back to the home page. You understand? Then to the login page. Cool. This is our login page. You get. We did a little bit of design. You can see an AI generated image at the background. Then our login page is also responsive. I will come back to the login page. I just want to go through all the buttons. Then, so as our sign up page, same thing as our sign up page. If you click on get started, it take you to our login page. For every website you get, they will show you a login page first. If you don't have an account, as you can see, don't have an account, you click on sign up. Now, this is sign up. So my colleague will enter his details, but he does not have an account. Now, as you can see, after you sign up for the Ask AI, it take you back to this login page where you input the details you just imputed in the sign up page. So he will add his email and password he just did now. Now, an alert button in JavaScript, an alert button will show login successful. If you click on OK, it take you to our chatbot interface. It's your choice. This is just a Google notification. This is our chatbot interface. Very simple, very demure. Now, there's no API behind this chatbot, so it will only give me the response of what I've given him at the backend, because more API had.
Everything is still at the local host, so it has not been pushed to the web.
Yes, as you can see now, as the AI, what is food like, is trying to tell me, here's what I found. Those are the response I gave him at the back end, that this is what he is supposed to say if the answer is not there. This is our history side. You can see, if you are familiar with ChatGPT, CEO, ChatGPT owner. If you are familiar with ChatGPT, you can see that there's an history side. This is our logo and so on. This is to upgrade to Pro. Like, you don't like the basic version, you want an advanced version, more durability, more time, and more answered questions. You just click on upgrade to Pro, then you choose any of our package. We now add other pages to this payment side because we have to do a payment method and the rest. Thank you very much. I remain Casey.
Let's celebrate them. Let's celebrate them. Please, the floor is open to questions. From questions to Mr. Dibashi, questions to Mr. Confidence. If you have any, please you can. Are we saying the team did the perfect job? Okay. So, in the absence of questions, please, I know this is just the basis, but you can improve on it. Charts, AIs, they make use of what we call LLMs, large language model. So you should equip yourself as a computer science student, get ideas on it using Python programming language so that you'll be able to create and to bring this into limelight. Once again, let's celebrate them. They did a nice job. Please, you can take your seats. The next presenter, please. Okay. What's happening to your HDMI ports? What's happening to your HDMI ports? Okay.
Good day, everyone.
Okay.
Good day, everyone. My name is Michael. I'm an IT student at Hamplus Tech. So I'm here to present a shopping website called Shopam, a one-stop shop destination. So this is my sign-in page for my shopping website. It consists of my email, my password, and continue button. At Shopam, it gives consumers the access to interact with the system, and the customer care give us the condition to use, how to use our website, list of things. It also includes JavaScript that don't allow you to give you the stress of going back. You can just click on back to top button. And it also gives you privacy notice. And this privacy notice I implemented ID that allows you to jump to a particular place you want to read and click back, and that one that allows you to jump to the next one, back to the top. Then back to our sign-in page. I added the validating form that gives you a notice telling you to impute your stuff before it can carry to the next page. And if you don't have an account, you can click on create a Shopam account. If I input my detail, I click on continue. It's giving me an alert form that says form submitted successfully. If I click on OK, carry me to the sign in page. Then I input my detail. Click on continue. Give me a form. And carry me to the main page of my shopping website. So my shopping website consists of items that are available to shop at the website, Shopam website. It has a search button, another button, cart button, and items that are available for sale. I did a drop down here that consists of, you can pick any amount of stuff you want and click to, click add to cart. Automatically add to this place. I click one here, click add to cart. Then when I put my cart, choose stuff I added to my cart. Then this my cart, I can update it, I can delete it. I can even check the price of tax and after tax. I can click if I need it next day, next 2 days, or next 5 days. Once if I want, maybe I did mistake, maybe I wanted to click like 3 years, I mistakenly clicked 4. I click on update here, click here, and click save. Click update. Click update the price here. I can click on Monday. Shipping. Automatically update the price here. Click on complete it. It moves the price. Automatically update it here. Why the second one here? If I click on Tuesday.
Please, the mic should be closer.
I click on Tuesday. It updates the shipping fee. $9.99. $9.99. Update the shipping fee to $9.99. If I click on Thursday, $4.99. Update the shipping fee to $4.99. If I go back to this place, if I click on this Shopam icon here, it carries me back to the home page. Then if I decide to add like 10, click on automatic for this 12. If I delete everything here and go back, you can see that the cart here does not show anything, it's showing empty. Then if I add, then show you 10. Then back here, if I click on place order, it carries me to the order I've placed. And the website is responsive. It can be used in both applications and webs and the browser. Responsive. Minimize this is the code here. So this is the code for the Shopper website. Then the Figma, the UI UX of this website. This is the UI UX of the Shopam website. You can see that it consists of components, some elements, and some variants. If I click on play my prototype, I go back here. I click on continue, carry me to my home page, which is responsive. Scroll. You can see the header here. It's fixed. It does not move with scroll. If I click on create Shopam account, carry me to my create account page. Then this is my presentation now. I'm not done the database for the presentation. I was linked to tracking. When I click on this, they'll limit to tracking, track package. I'm not going to.
Let's clap for him. Okay, before I go with my observations and questions, I'll give the floor to our invitees. Do you have any comments? Our invitees, do you have any comments? Okay. So to the judges, thank you.
Okay. If you, for example, if this site is active now on internet, if the user want to visit your website, is it the login page you see, or is it the home page?
Login page, first page. You see the login page. This page, you see this page.
Okay. In a e-commerce website like this, the first page you're supposed to see is your shop, not the login page. For example, now if your friend wants to refer you to a website and you click on it, you see the login page, get discouraged. Like, okay, without registering an account, can you go to shopping page? It is, you are supposed to be able to go to the shopping page before you register an account. Yeah. And go to your checkout page. Okay. I think the delivery option is unnecessary because if you are shopping, if you don't want it now, you want shopping. I'm hungry now. I'll say I want to eat it tomorrow. So, for example, a shipping might take up to 3 days. So you cannot just say I will postpone the shipping. Some people don't want to pay for it now so that it will come on time. That is why e-commerce websites are made for the fast delivery, for the availability. So I find the delivery option of different dates unnecessary.
Okay. Any other observation or comments? Mr. Maru Ekomafe was a student here, and before he graduated, his project was on e-commerce websites. That's why he's able to say something like that. And of a truth, in an e-commerce website, if I go to Jumia, I'm not asked first to register or log in before I see their products. This option of choose delivery option, I think maybe you are trying to give a different platform, like to expedite the action. If you want it fast delivery, slow delivery, is that what you want? Okay, so you just interact with him and make a better correction. Also, your logo and your design, I find it difficult to match both of them together. This is the essence of collaboration. As a computer scientist, as a full stack developer, most times we cannot do everything, especially when it comes to design. So in the aspect of the design, the artistic view, and the visual effects, we can collaborate with a front-end designer, The green, is that green, dark green I see in the logo? I was expecting to see maybe green on your buttons. And also that yellow button, Is it red or what color is that? Blue? So it's not very sharp to the eyes. So please take note of this correction. But you did a nice job. I think you are trying to clone what website? You are trying to clone Amazon. Okay, good. So it's a good job. Before this presentation, he actually sat down on his own and decided to create another app. But I see the spirit in you. So continue, keep it up. And please try to embed the logic in it and database. That is PHP, MySQL, or you can use any other programming language. You still have some time here with us. Thank you very much. Please, let's welcome the last presenter for today, the person of Mr. Blessing. Mr. Blessing. To cast the screen, both devices have to be on the same network. Both devices have to be on the same network. On which network is your device? It's the cast. Okay.
Good morning, everybody. My name is Blessing, and
Place the mic closer.
I want to present a music sharing app. So this is the landing page you enter when you come to the website. Then we have a sign up button here. But here in the navigation bar, we have features, take you down to show you the features available on the website, the web app. Then you can sign up here. So let's sign up. So basically, when you enter any website, you log in. If you don't have an account, then you can come here and register. So let's say we don't have an account yet. Come here and register. Let's username like, let's say Daniel. I'll just use the email here and the password of Daniel also. Then we can register. Then it said username or email already exists. Please choose another. That's because I've used that same details to create a profile before. So we can just create another one, something entirely different. Let's use Ghost time. An email. Ghost time. Then our password will be, let me use Hamplus. Then we register. Then you see registration successful. You can now log in. You can either log in here or you go down and log in here also where you already have an account. So now we log in here, we change the details to first time and our password Hamplus. And we can log in. Sorry, we write it very first. Or let's just use an account. It's like I get the password. I did not get the password while I was creating the account. I did not spell the password well. So let's just use an account that is already there before. When I log in now, it brings you to our dashboard where it's welcome you to the app, the name, the username of the person. If you use another name, it's just going to call your name also. Then now in the app, we have list of music songs that are already available on the app. So, and here you can upload songs into a database for the app where you input the song title, the name of the artist, and you pick the file and then you upload. We'll do that. But yeah, let's go back to our home page. Then we can choose any of these music to play. Let's say we want to play this one. So everything here changes. Then the song starts playing. Then you can pause it here. Focus on this. You see, when you press our next button, it goes to the next song. When we press our previous button, it goes back. Then we can do this. This is a loop button, whereas when it's active, it's red. If the song finishes, continue, you place that same song again. Then we have a shuffle button too. That when we are playing this song, let's turn this off. If you press it, you see that it's not following the normal order. So the shuffle button is also working there. So, and you can have a lot of music here. So now let's go back to our upload page. Our upload file here. Let me just choose a file I have on my system. Let's say I want to upload this memo. Then I enter the title, then the artist name. And we upload. And you see, music file uploaded successfully. Now we can go back to our home. You come down, you see the song is already uploaded. And we can click it. The song is automatically uploaded to our normal page. Now, we also have this ellipsis. Gives us functions to play, download, add favorite, and create your playlist. But these two things have not really finished work on it. So basically, this is just what we have. And I think that's all for my presentation. Then we can log out. Login page.
Let's start for him again. I think this is an excellent work. This is an excellent work. I know one of the judges has something to say here because he did a project on which he cloned YouTube. So I'll give him the mic first to say something before I move further. Thank you.
The project is really nice, like really nice. Alright, so log in again. Let's go into your home page. I said log in again. Let's go into your home page. So the dashboard rather. So this is really nice. Like there's no flaws. Or for a new song, it has to be at the top. For a new song that was uploaded, it has to be at the top. I believe you already know how to fix that, just to sort it out. And this is amazing. There is nothing yet to complain about. All right, log out. Let's go on to your sign up, and I would like to see your codes. So try and sign up. Use an email that already exists. Yes. Okay, your validation tool is also top notch, but you need to adjust the styling. Alright, so let me see your code, let me see your sign up code. Yes, the PHP. Yeah. Did you make use of prepare statements, PDO? Okay. So again, the arrangement of your code. At the top, you are not supposed to include your database connection in every files. There is something called.
Okay, I was including I created config this space.
Why did you not use it?
When I used it, it didn't work.
I mean, you did not do it well. You have to do it. You have to use it. But this is not nice. Again. And you said if a server request method is equals to post, that is nice, but that is not good. Because I can send a post request without clicking on the button. So that will run your code and log me in or register me. So what you should do rather is if the server request is post and if the button was clicked, if it set value. Scroll down. Alright, I can see you made use of prepare statements, which is also good to fight SQL injection. And for your error handling and your success message, you should make use of sessions instead of echo. Instead of it to just echo whatever you are echoing to the top of your page, you can use a session. Then in your page, check if the session exists and display the message. Same for the errors and everything. Except from that, this is good, this is alright. Check out.
Okay, so please, all the presenters that presented today, please come out and be on the stage. All the presenters, please be on the stage while our judges give their final comments. All the presenters, please be on the stage. So these are please, our first and foremost, we call on all the judges. Let me just say this: all the judges here, they are members of Hamplus community, either by internship or by training. So last year we had a student from Uniben, but now she's a graduate, the person of Miss Gloria, and she will give her judgment, her verdict for those that did well, the first three persons. Thank you.
Okay, so like you said, I'm a graduate from Uniben. I did my ITL last year as my third IT. I graduated from entrepreneurship. I'm not a web developer, I'm not a computer scientist, but then again, I'm here because of your presentation, because that's what I've been doing since 100 level. So, but there is one thing to know what to say, and there's another thing to express what you have to say. And there is a thought in making your audience understand what you have to say. So for the presentation, every one of you had a lot to say, okay, but not many of you could express it. And not many of you could make us understand. For me, I have no idea of what you guys were saying. But apart from very few persons, I could relate to what those few persons were saying, and others I was totally lost. Apart from when the web developers will come, the judges will come and say, what is this, what is this, what is this? Even though I've been a user of almost all these apps, I still couldn't understand what you guys were saying, some of them. So for every other persons did well, just some persons who weren't composed while presenting, and others, while they were presenting, they were composed and they could relate to the audience, they could connect. So for the top three, Hamplus Tech gave me something to give to the top three who could present well, not compose, because many of us were not composed at all. I guess we felt it was a joke, but Hamplus Tech was not joking. So for the first person who could take us on a journey from the beginning to the end, we were able to flow with what he was presenting is Osa's Blessing. And Hamplus Tech asked me to give you this t-shirt for doing so well. So on there, Hamplus Up, they are giving you this to encourage you so that you could do better in your subsequent presentations. So for the second person, sorry, I don't want to murder your name, but then again, we'll go with Emmanuel. Even though his composure was nothing to write home about, but his presentation about the interface of the Ask AI app did justice to every other thing his colleague did. So it's just a little to encourage you in your subsequent presentations. Then for the third person, we have Michael, Chrome OS. Michael, yeah. He's the first. Michael was, yeah. Michael was the third person who came here, or the first person who did well with his presentation, trying to take us along the journey of his app, his Davishes, right? Davishes coffee. So this is just a little encouragement for subsequent presentation. Thank you very much. just to let us know that in as much as this is a joke, Hamplus Hub is not a place for just technical skills or digital skills. It's also a place for soft skills like communication and all of that. And it will help us a lot when pitching out these ideas to potential investors. Thank you very much.
Please, let's.
You all did well. It's not easy standing in front of audience presenting. Most of you, it will be your first time. For some of you, you have experience doing all this kind of stuff. So you all did very, very well. And for your application, Mr. Blessing, you did a really nice job. You made a full stack application. You used the database, the backend language, a front-end language. So your project is a complete app that it is production ready already like this, right? So 100 for you. On behalf of Hamplus Technologies, I would like to present this gift to you. Alright, so for the next person who did so well in their application, the functionalities was also top notch, the responsiveness and everything, it was just okay. I will be the person of my brother here, yeah. Alright, so even though your application is not involved the backend, it was as if you use a server, a backend language, because it has so many functionalities, different buttons were updating, different components, this is really, really good, right? So on behalf of Hamplus Technologies and the audience, I would like to present this to you for your good work and your hard work, everything. But last but not least, Mr. Izu Confidence, for your great application. Right. You took into check the instance of the current of this current time, which is about AI and LLM stuff, and you gave us a short version of an AI, just like Chat GPT, but your version. So we have CEO, Isu Confidence. Alright, so on behalf of Hamplus, I'd like to present this to you. Alright. Thank you very much, Mr. John Kosa, for this opportunity. Thank you again very, very much, sir.
Thank you very much, all the presenters, all our visitors. We are very glad, we are happy to have you in the hub. And also the students, we are very, very happy. Thank you once more. Please, all the judges should please just wait behind after this group section. We want to take group photograph outside. Please, let's take group photograph outside. Our invitees too, you can join us, please. Please, let's go outside for group photographs. The other interns will be presenting when it will be, the date will be communicated to us. Please, all those that presented and their invitees, can we go outside? All the judges, please, let's go outside. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.